Hello Year 8, welcome to the first of the videos to show you or demonstrate to you what it is that I'm expecting you to do. The task I'm going to show you right now is the bronze task, okay, and it's the first of the bronze tasks. It's the one where you are going to use the basic shapes that you learned last week to actually draw your continuous line portrait, okay. Now I'm going to move this to one side and I'm going to show you how to actually do this from start to finish. Now, the portrait I'm going to draw, all right, is this image here. This is of a model from the 60s. This is Twiggy, okay, and basically I thought I quite liked the proportions of her face. I also really liked how defined her eyelashes are. I thought they'd be quite cool to draw in a continuous line. Now, a continuous line portrait is quite simply, you're not going to take your pencil off the paper. Now, for some of you, this will be really quite difficult, and I understand it would be quite difficult. So this is a really good one because we're going to use the basic shapes to get the proportions of the face in the right places first. Okie doke. So first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to use my mechanical pencil because it's nice and light and thin, and I'm going to create sort of a rough egg shape for the shape of the face. And this is just an idea, okay, this is just a guide, because if I actually look at this portrait and I get it back, she's got quite angled cheekbones, okay, so that's something I'm going to have to take into account when I come to do the drawing. Now, the basic shapes, if we remember, the nose had a rectangle for the bridge, it had a triangle, okay, for the top of the nose, we had a circle for the largest part of the nose and two smaller circles for the nostrils, okay. In terms of the mouth, we had another oval. Now this oval, we're going to split it into two, and we have two small triangles for the mouth. The eyes are going to sit in this bit here. Okay, we've got an oval, we have the circle for the iris, smaller circle for the pupil, and our corner of the eye. And once you've got this in place, okay, you don't have to get it absolutely perfect. This is just a skeleton, okay? It's to get you to make sure you're putting things in the right places. So this is my basic shapes face. And what I'm now going to do, and I'm actually going to do this in a pen, okay, just so you can see it. And actually I prefer to work in a pen. I'm going to now create a continuous line. And quite simply, a continuous line is a line that does not stop, okay? You do not take your pen off the paper. You are going to draw what it is you can see. So I'm going to put my image next to it and I'm going to have a go. So she's got quite a pronounced mouth there. And this is all quite dark here. And as you can see, I'm actually being quite scribbly with my line, okay? I'm not being perfect with this. And it doesn't matter if you've got lines going in places that you didn't really want there to be any lines. Okay, it's all about building it up. Now she's got quite a dark eyelid here, so I'm going to add She's got these fantastic eyelashes here. So let's put these in. And as you can see, I'm now moving to the side of the face. So it doesn't matter if I've got lines on here that I didn't particularly want or that I can see on the image, okay? Add a bit of shading in there. We've got that curve under our lip there. And I'm actually going to just stop mine there because otherwise I'm going to be at this for a while showing you how to draw it, okay? So this video, this is using basic shapes to show you how to draw in a continuous line over it as a guide, okay? If you move on to the next video now, I'm going to show you how to do the next bronze task. See you in a bit.